Here we come to the service elevator at the Veterinary Medical Science Library at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. I just decided to do a take on my video camera since I filmed it with my phone just recently ago. Anyways, you might think this elevator is coded off, but it actually still works. And look at this right here. They redid the cabs on this. But there's one thing, still original, classic Dover traditional. I remember that one time I got trapped up here long ago. See if the button, I don't think the button works. Oh, it actually does. It does work. Oh, I feel so lucky now. Check this out. It's got the old bumper, and also it's got an electric eye, which I can test out. Look at this. Got an electric eye. It's got an electric eye right there, as well as you can also test the bumper too. But anyways, I don't really mind the cab replacements, but I'm glad they did not butcher these fixtures. Anyways, there's your phone. Fan is very loud, so we can't hear the motor, but I'll sample the chime one last time and then I'm gonna head out. See, that is the exact same lantern that Andrew gave me when I went to Roanoke back in summer of 2021. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.